Imagine this. You're about to edit the best video of your life, the one that could make you famous. But suddenly, your file won't open. Panic sets in. All your hard work gone. What if I told you there's a tool that can bring your files back from the digital graveyard? A tool so powerful, it repairs broken videos, photos, and documents in just a few clicks. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's real. Meet Wondershare Repairit. Whether you're a content creator, a photographer, or someone who just dropped their laptop in a puddle, we've all been there. This software is your new best friend. Stick around because today I'll show you how to bring your files back to life. Oh, and the download link? It's in the description. Let's dive in. How to use Wondershare Repairit. Click the link and you'll land on the Wondershare Repairit page. This powerful tool can repair damaged or corrupted files with ease. Not only does it restore files, but it also uses AI to enhance images, making them better than ever. Key features: AI-powered photo enhancement, intelligent video repair, high-quality image restoration, step-by-step guide. You'll find options for video repair, photo repair, and more. Click Video Repair. If you want, you can switch to professional mode for advanced features and add your corrupted file. First, we'll repair a corrupted MP4 file. As you can see here, I have a corrupted video file. Wondershare Repairit also supports HDR and RAW files. Add your corrupted file. Click Repair. If normal repair doesn't work, switch to Advanced Repair for deeper restoration. Wait for the process to complete. Then preview and save your file. Wondershare Repairit also supports HDR and RAW files. Since I'm using professional repair mode, it can efficiently repair HDR or RAW files as well. Let's test it and see the results. Now, let's repair another corrupted file. This time, I will select this corrupted sample and click the repair button. After a while, your video will be repaired. That's it. Now, let's check out another cool feature: AI Photo Enhancer. Wondershare Repairit's AI sharpens details, removes blur, and enhances colors for stunning images. Repairit's AI Colorize feature transforms old black and white photos by adding natural, realistic colors. Here's how it works. Upload your black and white image into the AI colorization tool. The software analyzes the image and applies lifelike colors to elements like skin tones, landscapes, and clothing. Click Start and let the AI work its magic, enhancing colors while preserving details. Preview the result and save your fully colorized image. Relive your memories in full color with just one click. Wondershare Repairit's Video Enhancer. Take your videos to the next level with AI-powered sharpening, noise reduction, and quality enhancement. Here's how. Upload your video. Choose an enhancement mode, upscale resolution, or noise reduction. Set the output resolution for sharpness, click Start, and let AI do its magic. Preview the results and save your enhanced video. Now, let's talk about its online version. Wondershare Repairit Online. Fix and enhance files. Anytime, anywhere. No downloads? No problem. Wondershare Repairit's online version lets you repair videos, photos, and documents straight from your browser. Whether your files are corrupted, blurry, or black and white, AI-powered tools can restore and enhance them in minutes. Fix broken videos without installing software. colorize black and white images instantly, enhance photo quality with AI sharpening. Simply upload your file, let AI process it, preview the results, and download your restored version. It's fast, easy, and works on any device. Try it today. Repair and enhance files on the go. Repairit is a game changer for anyone dealing with damaged files, blurry images, or low-quality videos. With AI-powered tools, restoring and enhancing files has never been easier. Try Wondershare Repairit today and bring your files back to life. Check out the website for more tools, and thanks for watching. See you next time.